Good morning, it's Dave Crispin here. I'm a member of Business SJ, a local business group in the Shire of Serpentine-Jarrahdale. And I'm here this morning to do a quick business snapshot of Earthwhile Australia. And I'm going to be speaking with Ellen Walker, who's representing Earthwhile Australia. Ellen, so can you tell us a little bit about Earthwhile Australia?
I'd love to, Dave. And so Earthwhile Australia is about changing things from the ground up. So we're about showing people their soil microbes, the microbes in their soil that do so much work for them in growing healthy plants. And that when you've got healthy plants, you've got healthy food. When you've got healthy food, you've got healthy people. Healthy people tend to be happy people. People don't get the chance to see the microbes in their soil. And if we think about the sustainability aspect of things, David Attenborough says nobody will protect what they don't care about, and nobody will care about what they've never experienced. Very few people have ever experienced seeing their own soil microbes with their own eyes. We take out powerful microscopes to people's homes and we can actually show them what's in their own soil.
That's very interesting. It's something that I've never thought about before. As a member of our local business group, what do you see as a benefit for your business as being a part of Business SJ?
Probably one of the biggest things is simply being with other businesses. And so you have people in similar circumstances who are facing similar challenges, and you can get that that feedback that needs to be in context, and sort of you've got the resources and access to all sorts of information.
Ellen, who would you say is your target market? Who would be your ideal customer?
Well, we actually have probably three streams to our business, Dave. So one of those is around the environment. So it's a raising awareness and education. So we do school incursions, we do talks to libraries, we do talks to community groups and so on. We take our microscopes to various festivals and displays like the Seniors Expo recently, the SJ Food and Farm Fest, things like that. Another part of our business is around sustainability, so helping home gardeners to grow organically. To do that, we actually do home visits, like I mentioned before, about taking our microscopes out to people's homes and actually showing them their own soil. And the third area is around professional development and also that economic side of things, I guess. So where we're teaching people who are maybe teachers or who are in business already to gain the skills of using microscopes and about the soil food webs and the microbes and the roles that they play, to be able to actually take that to their own customers or their kids at their schools and so on. So yes, definitely people are wanting to be able to use
We get so used to going into a supermarket and everything is available year round. So I think if there's an awareness for young people about how and when that food is available, I think that's quite an important.
You take our microscopes into schools from little kids. We've just recently been in a year one class, and but they get to see through the microscope. They can name bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes. They know that bacteria and fungi are like bags of fertilizer and you need spreaders. They know that protozoa and nematodes will act as those spreaders and provide the nutrients to your garden. So then they take that to their own garden, because we look at the school gardens when we're doing this. So they get to see the microbes in their garden, and they know which microbes like to be with which sorts of plants, and that helps them to when they're actually growing their plants as well. The plants are in control.
Okay.
Oh, don't get me wrong. These plants, they're actually sending out little signals to say, hey, you microbes, I want some of this or I want some of that. And when the little microbes go and get it and bring it back to the roots, the plant gives them something really nice.
Sounds great.
Yeah, but they're in control.
That's great. I really appreciate your time today, Ellen. And if you'd like to be a member of Business SJ, if you'd like to be involved in taking one of these business showcase videos, then drop us a line at info@business-sj.com.au and we'll see what we can do. Thank you.